icon, November 1, guys. I have a celebrating her. My house there, inside my house. I'm walking, guys. I go to a store, me buying a tissue because I need tissue my daughter-in-law, because my daughter-in-law is cooking mini pot for my son birthday. I'm here now, store, guys. Look, guys, I'm hard walking, guys. Look at my piece. Looking red because so hot with her my country. I'm here now, a store, her my place, me buying a tissue. Pabili pong tissue. Yung waiting, other people buying also. Not only me. Yes po, tissue po. I need 2 tissue. I need 2 tissue po. Look, guys, colored. Because I'm tired walking, guys. Their village. Now I'm here, not village, her. Her is for our village. Okay, me buying 2 tissue, guys. 2 tissue. For me and her need my house. 44. Magkano po? 44. Tsaka ano po? Me buying coke po. Yes po, coke. How much po?
Hindi na nagchat sa'yo, ha?
Hindi ganitong coke.
Ano?
Not ganito.
1.5?
Not like this. Not like this. Big coke. Not small.
Coco Crunch? No. Strawberry? Strawberry? Berry nuts? Honey nga.
Dalawa po. Magkano po dalawa? Don't worry. May I have other money here inside my pants.
44 plus
Ano di?
dalawa.
Ano gusto mo?
30.
Anong biscuit?
30. 120. Walang ka naman.
120 to bottle Coca-Cola. To big bottle Coke 120.
Sana. Tapos, ayun, tapos, soft drinks. Opo.
Load nga po.
Teka lang, wait lang.
How much po?
Ulit-ulit. Oh. 120, patama ka. Sama ang tissue. Ano sa'yo? Please.
Honey.
Ilan?
20. Tapos dalawa na ito.
Look, guys. Buying 2 bottle Coca-Cola and 2 tissue. Her mini bar.
Magkano ito?
Magkano ba binigay mo? 20.
For me,
Dalawa na ito.
for
Alin dyan?
me and my son. Me buying
Ano
2
load mo?
bottle.
Pukantex yata siya. 0910.
May plastic ba kayo? Hindi ko madala lahat.
Wala.
Hindi ko madala lahat eh.
Eh di balikan mo.
Baka mahala mabasag.
Balikan mo nga. Balikan mo itong tissue. Dalawa mo na ano.
There's another t-shirt.
mababasag. Kaya mababasag. Wait lang. Kana. Oh, ito.
I'm go back again to my house, guys.